I have scored 93% in my maths CBSE board exams. My name is Monish and I did my 10th from Manav Smart World. I joined Aman Sir in 9th class. In 8th, I didn't score well in maths and got only 39 out of 80 in my maths final exam. I had this thought that I will never be able to score good in maths in any class. Notes that Sir used to give me and concepts of every chapter that Sir used to teach me in the class uh, helped me in understanding the chapter better than I had learned in any other previous classes. And but I couldn't score well in ninth class and got scored only 50 out of 80 with 70% as overall in my ninth class, as I didn't used to do the homework regularly as Sir told me. Uh, but still, I noticed that there was some improvement in mathematics. And one advice that I think played a crucial role in this wonderful achievement was that he told me to do more practice. Even though he told me to do uh, 15 pages per class, I used to do 30, 50, and sometimes even 100 pages of my register. And then he started to conduct tests regularly, and I started to score well in his tests, from where I got the confidence that I could score well in maths too. I scored 93 out of 100 in my maths CBSE boards class 10th. So I don't think so I would have been able to achieve this without maths with the Aman sir and his guidance, and even my own hard work. So I would recommend you to join Maths Vidya Institute if you are average student too, and if I can do it, you can do it too. And I don't think so you would be able to find a better teacher of for maths than Aman sir. Thank you.